Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can sign in your Hulu and Disney Plus bundle. So if you want to connect Hulu and Disney Plus, you can do them either on Disney Plus application if you have that subscription, or you can do it on Hulu as well. So if you have the Hulu subscription or Disney Plus subscription, it goes the same way. You can go to the account. So you can go to manage plan on your subscription. So if you have the basic Hulu plan or if you have the basic Disney Plus plan, what you can do is you can buy this plan, Disney Bundle Duo Basic. This one has the Disney Plus and Hulu. So if you get this plan, you are going to combine these both services. And if you get this one is the premium plan. In this you are going to get more additional features like you are going to get to download the titles of Hulu and Disney Plus. So this will allow you to download content on your Hulu devices or Disney Plus devices. So these are the additional features with the premium plan. So if you have the basic Hulu or basic Disney plan, this is how you can connect both Disney and Hulu. So I hope this was helpful and this answered your question. Thank you so much for watching.